Hey, good morning, everybody. I am on my way. Well, actually, I was uploading a video to YouTube and it just said that it failed on here. But I am on my way to Spring Creek to try out that MacGyver solution that I put a video up yesterday. So let me fix the upload of this. So I guess the video for y'all to see at 9:30, y'all won't see. Y'all all probably won't see it till later this afternoon, which is the 11th. But that is for Greater Faith Zion AME that we were doing. But let's get up out of here and head over to Spring Creek and test out the solution for this Sunday. All right, folks, we're here with all my stuff. And let's see how everything is going. Good morning. Man, yes I am, but I see that you accented your dress with your boot.
Yeah. The perfect look. Is this the follow-up to the other one?
It is. So yeah, I was just showing Makita, I sent her the video of what we were gonna do to try and get this stuff working. So she has a heads up of all the MacGyver stuff we're gonna try and see if we can get it working here. It worked in my apartment. Now let's see, can we get it working inside the church? All right, so we're here on this side of the building and we got everything tested and it's working. It took a lot longer because we were setting up a bunch of other stuff and I still need to make a jack for the rolling camera and all that other stuff back in the sanctuary. But we got it and we tested it. Audio's going through the board, everything, even though it's locally. And we migrated everything from OBS onto the other computer that I donated to them, and they're just putting the lights and stuff. So we were able to stream to that one. Now over here in the other building, we have the other Raspberry Pi here. I am testing this network, but it's not hot. So I'm gonna need to move the table and see what's in the ceiling because it looks like that line is not active, and we might have to pull a cable to make that jack actually work. So let me move this table out the way and we do that. All right, success. We found the cable. There was a bunch of cables in the ceiling that were not connected. Thankfully, don't need to pull a new cable. Oh, that air feels so good. So now I need to fix the wiring, re-terminate it because it was kind of a sloppy job. Put a boot on it, and I'm gonna, even though I have I'm gonna bring both of these over here for the streaming bridge temporarily, but then I'm also, because that's gonna be sending here, and then we need another way to send back. Yeah, so actually I could have set that up. I could have live streamed from my laptop here just to test everything is working. Let me actually do that. Let me start to live stream from that laptop here. Make sure it's on the same network. All right, so just doing a ping test. We can ping it and actually going to the address we're getting the server, the Nginx server. So as you can see, so we're there. I think I may have left on the streaming on that other system because it keeps saying when I try to stream to it, it has no connection. Unless I did something wrong, which I don't think I did. All right, so let's go back, make sure that that's off. And we need to get a box of cable, run a cable, terminate it to go to the Raspberry Pi, and then also well, I don't need to bring a camera because I mean if we're streaming, I'll just play some music from my laptop over. If we hear something, then we know it worked because we already know it works on this side here. So let me verify that it's not streaming because it's a first come first serve to the Raspberry Pi over here. And yes, we are still streaming. That would be the reason. We're still getting the image, so we need to come over here, stop streaming, and then go back and test it again. Now, as cool as I think it's going to be for this to work, I may just give them my streaming bridge just to make it easier. So I don't know. Let's come back here. Let me bring my cart so I can roll everything over here. I'm gonna hook the, see, I'm overthinking right now. I mean, once I hook my laptop up and stream, we'll get a signal. So I don't need to bring this. I just need to, yes I do, AJ, you're overthinking. I wanna bring my tools, so I'm not carrying it. That's why I'm bringing this. Whew, it's hot out here. But yeah, there we are, the creek. Let's get over here, get them sorted out. Then we also got to punch a hole and set up a box so that we can have a little jack to plug in the rolling camera when it's inside the sanctuary. So instead of it dangling over the shoulder of the booth, it just plugs right there into the bottom of the floor. Now, out of all the times I got all these boxes of cable with me, I left the boxes of cable at Greater Faith AME. So I don't have a long enough Ethernet cable to plug into the stuff, but maybe the long HDMI cable that's over here, maybe I can use that. And then when I come back, I should have, and they said the door was unlocked, be able to do that. So I think the side door is unlocked. All right, so that was it. So if we switch over here right now, I am just running a formation sports type of thing with some music playing. So we should be able to hear that in a sanctuary. And I'll come back and close these tiles up, but let's just verify that that's working. All right, now, that makes me, now that's making me think, we need 2 jacks in here. Because that's only 1 jack. We need 1 jack that's coming in for the network, and we need, I mean, for the signal coming in, but we need another one going out. I wonder, are there any other jacks anywhere else here? This is the baptismal area. I don't believe any other jacks over here. So pretty much we need to put a switch. We need to put a switch. Unless there's a jack over here somewhere on the wall. No, it is not. So we need to put a switch on that side, and the rolling camera will be right about here. I have my box of cable at home, so I'll be able to run another cable there, so that's not an issue. But we definitely need to put a switch on that side so we can have it reach both ways. So I think I'm done here. Let me bring my tools over, and then we need to verify that we're hearing anything on that side. All right, so the test. There is our input. Whoop. Keep hitting both buttons at the same time without looking. So there is the laptop that we're streaming in, and you see, well, it's muted. That's channel number 28. We're playing music. That's coming from the other side. So yay, it works. Have the super long HDMI cable that they had originally. We're gonna come back, put a hole here for the SDI cable that's for the rolling camera inside of here. So it would just screw in here, be low enough so as nobody was tripping on it, and that'll be good. But hopefully we'll hook this up, stream back to the Raspberry Pi over there, and then we'll be good to go. Yay. All right, we got an image now. This is a one direction HDMI. I had it backwards, but we're now getting a signal. I have an IP address, and since we're on the network, I can remote into the ATEM over there and load up the XML file. Oh, I don't have a network on here because we need a hub down here. So, oh well, we got it here. Let me move these tiles up, go back on to the other side, finish up over there, do a test, then cut a hole, then get up out of here. All right, we're back over here, and we are setting the other XML for sending to the baptismal. So all we're gonna do is change the IP address, change that to 2, and we will save as from to 2. All right, that's done. We're gonna load stream settings to baptism. And now we have our new entry. So at this point, let's go ahead and cut over to number 5, which is the trash shot that we gave over to there. Boom. And now we're going to stream to here. So now if we walk on over, so that TV right now is showing from an SDI cable going directly to it. It should show the exact same thing when we go to the other part of the building. And like I said, we need two Ethernet cables, because that one that's there will stay coming from there. And boom, there we go. Yay. I love when a plan comes together. All right, so now, like I said, I need to get a hub for that. 2 extra cables, one for a laptop ATEM, whatever's going to be over here to stream over there. And that's what I should have did. I should have brought the camera and the ATEM over here so that we can see it on that side. I think I'll do that once I show Pastor Cooper everything's working. All right, so here's my temporary setup right now. We have a camera set up. I have the ATEM Mini Pro right now set up. That's off because, like I said, we only got one connection. So I just have it aimed right here for right now. And because it's on the network, I should be able to send the XML code. Well, it's actually already saved in the software once I connect to this system here. Whew, man, it's hot. And I almost will want to come back and do this jack on the wall, because I have to head to another church to finish up something real quick. But let's get over here. All right, so we're going to stop this because that was sending to that area. Come on, stop. All right, so now that's off. So now what we're going to do, go to connection, and we don't see it. I think I had the ATEM plugged in, turned on before I got a network connection. Let's head back and let's fix that. All right, so for whatever reason, the router wouldn't send me a new IP address for the ATEM, but oh well, I just had the ATEM connected to my laptop, just like we did before, but it has it streaming from OBS with the camera here. So there we go. And Pastor Cooper was just in the shot and he didn't see it, but there we go. And I think he's going to be making his way over here now. So you can see there is the baptismal, and if we had the audio turned on, which it already is, but nothing is going on, that's what we seen. Now we would have longer cables so we can put this out in the middle of the floor, so it can be a straight on shot or even closer. So that's good. And here he comes. We just saw you walk across the camera.
You did?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that was perfect for your advertising.